Are you heading out to a special occasion and want to try out something different? Slick back hairstyle is just for you. Sharp hair, edgy hair, and above all, it makes you look like a hipster. To get a slick back hairstyle, पहले हाथों से, फिर एक ब्रश से अपने बालों को पीछे कोम कर ले and let them dry. Now using a dryer and a hairbrush, direct your hair in backwards direction while simultaneously drying the hair. अब हेयर ब्रश से बाल अच्छे से सेट कर ले in a slick back position. After your hair is set, start applying the gel exactly in the position you combed your hair. Use the hairbrush to evenly spread out the gel. End में finishing touches के लिए use a sharp comb to make the style look even better. Looks killer, doesn't it?